I'm Smeg Chef Elkie. This is our cast iron baking dish with insert. I love using this to create the family feast, roasting my meat and baking my veg inside the oven. I love using it on gas and induction, and it's so easy to clean. And look how it fits in your oven. I'm using the telescopic guides, so it's safe. I love using these for when I'm roasting my meat and basting, or for when I'm grilling. The trays won't tilt. The trays have been designed with the holes so they can fit securely. Please ask your retailers for more information or visit smeg.com.au.